The Kia EV6 is known as a well-designed and stunning-looking electric car. However, when you take a step inside, there's a number of features that you may have missed. The front of the cabin has a few great functions. Firstly, there is the Auto Regen function. Hold the right regen pedal down and the car will control the regen for you. In between the front seats, you will find the wireless phone charger. Fewer wires, less clutter, more juice. Moving on to the seats themselves, if you need more head support, then that's no problem with the adjustable headrests. On the centre control panel, you can make sure that screen automatically goes to the preferred settings. Need a 3-pin plug? You'll find one under the rear seats. Venturing outside of the Kia EV6, there are even more great features. The most impressive feature is probably the vehicle to load adapter, located under the floor panel in the boot. To use the vehicle to load adapter, open the charging port. Take the adapter out of its case and plug it in. Drop the rear cover of the adapter to uncover the plug socket. Plug your device in and then turn the adapter on. It brings a whole new meaning to working outdoors. The vehicle to load feature can even be used for powerful garden equipment, such as this leaf blower. Very useful if you aren't near any other sockets. This feature can come in handy when you're camping, even if it is just used to make a refreshing cup of tea in the great outdoors. Did you know you can also remove the parcel shelf in the rear and not clutter up your boot? Under the flooring, you will find a specific area for storage, ready to retrieve and use again later. Just place the parcel shelf in the area as shown, replace the floor section and pop the side panel back into place. Moving a car in and out of tight spots can be a problem. However, the Kia EV6 has its very own solution. Just use the car key to guide the vehicle forwards and backwards remotely. There are many great features to enjoy in the Kia EV6. Rent yours to see what you will find. Book your hire with eVision today.